Hello guys, I just want to talk a quick video about this robot car I've built for a while. I've been using it for videos, like watching YouTube channels and everything, but I've never just think about doing a video about it, then just decide like I need to do this. I just need to do a video to show you what I have here. I have for this, it's based on Jetson Nano. This is my Jetson Nano, which I'm using as a computer connected to my monitor. And the robot car has this thing, it's saying that comes to Jetson Nano. So I end up adding this cooling fan to it just to make sure to keep it cool all the time. I have a camera here. I'm still gonna make a video and use this camera for self-driving navigation and whatever. So this camera is connected here, and also the robot car is omnidirectional. Basically, it can move in all directions. This is the omni wheel. About the robot car, the case most about it from AliExpress and about most of the components from eBay actually. Here, this is the motor driver, L29AM motor driver. This is the L29AM motor driver, and also here I got this is the power regulator. This regulates power supply to about like 5 volt. So I got here is the battery compartment where I got the batteries to power it up, and this is the LED front light. Now I'm going to do something. I'm just gonna test this camera just to show you how the camera works actually. So there is if I go onto the terminal here, basically I just need to remind you that I've connected this to my monitor just before beginning of this video, and I put this code here. If I could remember the code vividly, I think it's NVG NVG capture no this NVG capture. Is it NVG or NVGS? I couldn't remember, but I'll try to start NVG capture. Then if I put an iPhone here space, I put orientation. No, I think space, I think it's 1.0 something, 1.0, then space, and then orientation. I didn't remember if I'm doing it right actually. 2, put enter. Oh shit, command not fine. Yeah, I think I just basically from the command. I can go on Google and search. This is Google Chrome here. Go on Google Chrome to search the command. I think I forgot it actually. So I can just type here code for Jetson Nano camera. So okay, yeah, comes here. I think I'm just gonna use the one by NVIDIA here. So basically, I just want to show you how the camera works. Then I'm going to show you how the robot car works. Then we're gonna okay, yeah, let's use this one. It is NVG. Oh, that's the mistake I made. NVGST capture. Okay, that's why I made the mistake. So I'm just gonna copy the code here, then go to my terminal. Then paste, enter. You see? Now it shows the camera is working. You can see me in the background here. This is my GoPro camera that I used to record the video. So this is the robot car that shows the camera is working. And so the next point is I just want to tell you more about this car that I use 4 DCGR motors. Here you can see the 4 DCGR motors, the omni wheel and everything. So the next is I'm just gonna close this off here. I'm just gonna bring this to the back and then close. So I can use it to watch YouTube videos, and if I go on here, you see I got my YouTube here. Yeah, I've been using it for a while for all those purposes. So there is I want to show you how it works, like how the car works. But before I'll be able to power up the car, I need to really connect. This is the wire that I use for my USB power. So I'm gonna get some USB and connect it now. Then once I make the connection, I'm gonna start the video again, and then we'll see the car working. And also, I'm just gonna clear my table. I know it's a bit of a mess, so then we'll go from there. So let's disconnect it from the main power supply. I'm just gonna take it off. That's really harsh. So I'm gonna connect the battery, switch on the computer or the robot, or whatever you want to call it. It's a robot, it's a computer, it's both actually, because it's told it's based on Jetson Nano. Jetson Nano is a single board computer. So now it's booting up. It's in the battery mode now. There's a simple test I always do just to check if the GPIO pin is really active. I'm just gonna lift it up because we don't want the robot running around. So if I put on the switch on this motor now, it's an indication that the GPIO pin is active. So I'm just waiting for it to boot up. Then we're going to test the robot car. Yeah, the car mode. I have really big plans. Got a lot of things I want to do with this. I just don't know if I'm gonna be having much time, but I'm sure I'm gonna do something about it. I really want to make an omnidimensional. I mean, not only. I mean, it's already omnidimensional robot, but I wish it to be like a self-navigating robot and so other things like that. And also can use it for navigation, whatever, and also ROS. Okay, now we're in the terminal. So if I just type sudo Python, I'm using the Python development now for this. Python Abdul, that's the name of the robot, underscore robot dot py. I didn't know what's wrong with this keyboard, and asking me for my password now. I'm just gonna type my password. Oof. Saying can't open the file abdulrobot.py. Why is that? Okay, let's go to the desktop to see if I made a mistake, but I'm sure I didn't make a mistake. CD desktop. We are in the desktop now. LS. Okay, that's it. So I'm just gonna now type it now, sudo Python Abdul underscore robot dot py. I guess I make a mistake in my typing. Try again. Sudo. So I'm just trying to log into the sudo Python. I guess my keyboard is not really good enough for Python. Why is it not good? Python Abdul underscore robot dot py. Now we're in. So if I now switch on the GPIO pins, it's not working because it's already the robot is active now. So let's just test the robot and see how it works. This is moving one direction and this is the other direction. This is sideways and this is sideways. So not to waste our time, just gonna disconnect it from the monitor here, and I'm gonna take the robot and put it here. Now let's see. So if you go sideways and then yeah, you can see, and this move this way, and it can also go this way and forward. The space is really small, so we're just gonna put it on the floor and see how it goes here. So now here's the robot on the floor, Now it goes forward and this robot moves backward, then move sideways, backward, then forward, then sideways. Now if I want it to turn around, you can just put R, moving around. So also if I press D, that's only the front wheel moving around. If I press T, backward moving around. If I press it S, only one side moving around. So you can see this robot basically can move in all direction. Can move sideways, and it can also move backward. Then it can move sideways, then also sideways. We can turn around. Forward and backward. The cool thing about it, it's not only about the moving in all direction only that's cool about it. The cool thing is I can use it as a computer, I use it to video code, I use it to program other robot because basically it's based on a single board computer, which is the Jetson Nano. I'm just gonna make another robot like this. This time around I'm not gonna use the Jetson Nano. I've done this before in one of my videos where I make a robot like this and I use the Raspberry Pi Zero. But this time around, and this is the one, which is more like an advanced. If you watch my videos, my previous videos, you can see the one I made using the Raspberry Pi Zero. This one is based on Jetson Nano. I think I'm gonna make one again, which this time around I'm gonna use the Super microcontroller board. Why do I call it Super? Because it has a Wi-Fi capability, Bluetooth capability like this one, and has a lot of capability, and it's just a microcontroller board. And I'm talking about the ESP32. That's it. The ESP32 board. That's what I'm gonna be using there. So you just watch out for my next video, which is gonna be. I'm not really saying it's gonna be on. It's definitely gonna be on ESP32. I'm working on a robot spider, but I'm having an issue with my 3D printer. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with the 3D printer. I keep getting the wrong print, and but hopefully when I finish the project I'm gonna make a video on that. Also I'm trying to work on Atmega 328 bots. I'm having some issue with that as well, and once it's done you're gonna have a video about that too. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification button. See you next time. Cheerio.